Welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest product reviews and expert insights. In today's video, we'll be diving deep into Powerbite, a unique dental mineral complex that claims to improve gum and teeth health. But can you really trust the Powerbite formula? Let's find out. Dental hygiene is crucial for maintaining healthy gums and teeth. However, dental care can be quite expensive. Luckily, there are supplements like Powerbite that aim to enhance your dental health without breaking the bank. Powerbite is a mineral candy supplement designed to support gum and teeth health. It contains essential minerals that provide the nutrients your dental health needs. So, how does Powerbite work? This dental candy works by changing the pH of your saliva and remineralizing your enamel. By preventing dental erosion and restoring your dental health, Powerbite aims to help you achieve a beautiful smile. Let's take a closer look at the ingredients in Powerbite and the benefits they offer. Powerbite's proprietary blend includes ingredients like calcium carbonate, mint, lysozyme, Mediterranean sea salt, and clove oil. Each component has unique properties that contribute to gum and teeth support. To experience the benefits of Powerbite, it's recommended to take one soothing candy at night before bedtime. As the candy dissolves in your mouth, it works its magic to revitalize your teeth and gums while you sleep. Like any product, Powerbite has its pros and cons. On the positive side, Powerbite is made from natural ingredients produced in the USA and goes through rigorous testing for purity and quality. It's also backed by a 60-day satisfaction guarantee and offers free shipping. However, it's important to note that results may vary among individuals, and Powerbite is only available for purchase online. If you're interested in trying Powerbite, you can find it on the official website. They offer different price options, including discounts for multiple bottle purchases. Remember, every order is covered by a 60-day money-back guarantee. As an added bonus, when you purchase 3 or 6 bottles of Powerbite, you'll receive 2 free ebooks to support your oral health journey. In conclusion, Powerbite is a dental and gum support formula that aims to provide fresh breath, a beautiful smile, and fight plaque and tooth decay. Its unique blend of natural ingredients offers a holistic approach to dental health. Don't miss out on improving your dental health with Powerbite. Click the link in the description and comment below to visit the official website and learn more about this innovative product. Order now and experience the difference Powerbite can make in your life. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and valuable insights. Remember, your dental health is important, so take the necessary steps to keep your smile shining bright.